Hey everyone, this is Tim Arthur putting together a short little film. Recognize what an amazing event happened. Apologies if your organization is not shown or represented. There were so many. But here's a big shout out to people that I was able to capture today, and thanks for a relief effort with Bahamas. Hey Charlie, you want to say anything to the volunteers?
Absolutely. The volunteers have been amazing. These people are non-stop. No complaining, no crying, and they're working 24/7. It's just phenomenal. The outpouring of support. What can I say? Everybody's been just marvelous. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. This has been the most amazing volunteer experience of my life. To see so many people come together that don't know each other and they just jump in and we all become best friends by the end of the day, and to see so much being done in such a short period of time is absolutely mind-boggling. I am so grateful to have been a part of this operation and to be able to get all of this aid to the Bahamians.
Come on through, sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Come on through, you're good.
This has been such a rewarding experience, and I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of it.
Hey, my name's Kenny Harris. I'm a local here in Stuart and have friends over in Little Grand Cay, Bahamas, and here to help out and try to get them supplies they might need after the destruction from Hurricane Dorian. I'm a retired firefighter, and I'm just here to help.
Thank you.
I'm JJ Von Esslinger. I'm also a retired firefighter. I got a lot of friends in the Abacos, friends in Grand, and we're just here to help out the people that we are like our second family over there. We've done it the last hurricane, and here we are on this one. We've had a good outpour of volunteers here, and everything's been going great.
Okay, this is Stuart from prreliefflight here, thanking absolutely everybody that has helped in this wonderful endeavor as we wrap things up. The last day, hopefully, maybe tomorrow. We want to thank the volunteers that helped box and pallet and send everything on the planes. We want to thank the pilots, the crews, the Stuart Center employees that have been so wonderful, and absolutely everybody that has had anything to do with this. We love you guys. Thank you so much.
I'm Alex Anduze. I'm a pilot for Brown Helicopter, and I fly Blackhawks. Why do you do it? Well, I did it for the military for 11 years. I did it for Sikorsky Aircraft as a test pilot for about 10 years, and it's kind of my passion. It's always an interesting thing. I think the aircraft has the capability to go where most other aircraft don't, so it usually generates an experience, and in this particular case we were able to provide a lot of supplies in a very short period of time. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
My plane, Cessna 182. My wife and I own it out of Church Coast Airport. I'm a retired firefighter from Martin County, and I know the people with this operation here at Stuart Sailfish Club. A lot of the firefighters help them out, so I decided, even though my plane's not a big plane, I can take a few 100 pounds, so I decided to do what I can to help.
Thank you.
Thanks.
My name's Evan Smith, and my company is Elite Heavy Transport, and I'm doing this to help out the people over there. I mean, they don't have a choice. They're over there doing what they can do, so we just try to do whatever we can.
All right, we're here. We've got a ton of volunteers, probably 75, 80 volunteers here this morning. So I'm glad everybody showed up. Thank you for that, first and foremost. We've sent out probably close to, what, 10 or 12 tons? 10 or 12 tons of stuff this morning in our first 2 flights. The Truman plane is going to be coming back. Harry Truman's actual private plane is pretty cool system. They're going to take another 13 pallets. First kilo's up. We're loading the Kodiak. We got a couple semi-trailers coming in, so everybody's working hard to palletize stuff so we can make this go quickly and help everybody out. Thank you very much.
My name's Paul Lynch. I own boat medical electrical systems. I'm doing it because this is my industry. And all the captains that are here supporting this, I work on their boats. We fish in the Bahamas.
How many paddles have you moved?
Too many.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hello, America. My name is Leon Pinder, and I'm from the Abaco. I'm from the Bahamas. And Abaco, which was the worst island to get hit by Hurricane Dorian. I happened to come to the U.S. shortly after the hurricane, and I've been here working with the group at Stuart Jet Center, where they were bringing in donations, and we were sending them out to the Abacos and to the Grand Bahamas and all the areas that have been affected, Morris Island, and those have been affected by the hurricane. I must say a very special thank you to the people that have been pouring in the donations here for us back in the Bahamas. I mean, they came in unselfishly, gave of themselves, they gave their donations, they come and they work. They were loading the plane, they were packing and putting the weights on the boxes. I mean, it was like so much energy they put into it, and synergy. I know some of the people didn't know each other until they came here, but they worked like a complete unit, like they were trained to do this. And so yeah, I'm grateful, and I think I have the leeway to say thank you on behalf of the Bahamas and its people of Abaco, in particular Grand Bahama, where we were hit by the hurricane. You can't be thankful enough, and we appreciate your gratefulness and your giving of yourself and of your resources to help us in times like this. Thank you.
I want to say it really was a pleasure working here with the people at the Stuart Aviation Jet Center, and I've never seen such camaraderie and togetherness, the way they work and they put together the stuff that they're sending out to us in the Bahamas. We do appreciate this, and I say thanks to everyone that's been a part of this whole operation. And again, I say thank you to the Stuart Sailing Fish Club and their foundation and what they're doing. And thanks to everybody. Thank you very much, and it really was a pleasure working with you guys.